Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to add an order tracking page on Shopify. In this video, we're going to show you two ways in which you can add an order tracking page to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you need a Shopify account and a store, a well-running store. So right now I have signed into my Shopify store. It's very easy to join Shopify and begin your online store journey. So once you do that and you log in, you will end up on this page, which is basically your dashboard. Now let's look at the things that we need up and running before we do the order tracking page process. So first of all, if you go to online store in the left navigation bar, you need to ensure that there is a theme up and running for your store. So you can see currently this is the default theme. You can customize it or else get one from the theme library. So that is number one. And then number two is products. So if you go to products on the left navigation bar, you can see currently I have 3 products that are active, and these I have connected to my CJ dropshipping store. So as you can see, I have authorized my CJ dropshipping account to link with my Shopify store, and so whatever is listed on my CJ dropshipping store will be listed on my Shopify store. It's a very good website if you're looking for dropshipping services. So that has been done. So make sure you have some products up and running. Now let's look at how you can add an order tracking page. So if you get orders, it will come in your orders section over here. Currently, we don't have any orders yet, so it's not being displayed here. But once you have orders, it will be displayed over here. Now, how will you add an order tracking page to your Shopify store? Let's look at that. The first method is to go to apps. So over here in the left navigation bar at the bottom side, you can see apps. If you click on it, this will open up. You need to go to recommended apps over here. And in here, if you scroll down in this pop-up window, you will see this Shopify App Store link over here. You need to click on it and it will open the Shopify App Store in a new page. This is where you can find apps for anything, whether it be for email, printful, for fashion, whatever purpose. You can definitely find an app over here in the Shopify App Store. Now we're looking for order tracking, so let us search for that. We're going to go to the search bar on top and type in order tracking. And these are the results for order tracking. As you can see over here, there are more than 1,000 apps that the App Store has to recommend for order tracking. Now, if you ask me, the one that I would recommend is Aftership right over here because it's very popular. You would have heard about it already. A lot of sellers trust this app. So let's go ahead and click on it and see how it works. So if you click on it, you will see that this is available with a free plan, but then there is a 7-day free trial after which additional charges may apply. Let's take a look at how it works. You can see over here, there is the shipments dashboard like this. You'll have the tracking number, see its status over here. You've got an inbox like for notifications as well on email, SMS, Facebook updates, and a lot of other things that is integrated into this app. You've got the branded tracking page, insightful analytics, and a lot more with Aftership. But as I said, it has only a 7-day free trial after which you need to pay. So then what is the other option without any kind of, free trial, without any payments, without any apps? Well, for that, you need to go to the Shopify page again. And in the second method to add a tracking page to your Shopify store, you will go to online store on the left navigation bar. And here you will go to pages right underneath it, where you can access all the pages that are currently there in your website. And we're going to go to add page. Now we need to add a page, right? So we're going to simply add an order tracking page. So this page is called order tracking, and now we need a code. Don't get scared by the word code. You don't need to know coding for this second method. You simply need to copy paste. We've got this track order code, which is very easily available if you just Google for it. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy the text from here. We're going to go back to the page over here, which we gave the title order tracking, and underneath content, you can show HTML by clicking that, and you can simply paste that code over here. Now in this code, there is a minor change that you need to do, and that is to change the email. As you can see, the page will display this text on top, which is, please enter your tracking number below. If your tracking number doesn't work, feel free to contact us at, and an email address is given, which is where you will need to do the minor change. You can just give in your store's name over here. So I'm just going to change that. And the remaining needs to be left untouched. Do not fiddle with it, just let it be. And then what you will do is scroll down and click on save. Now your page has been successfully created, and you can see this is what's going to be displayed on the page. If you click on show HTML, that is the code that we just copy pasted. And if you click on show editor, then this will come up. Now let's go and see how we can actually link it to our store. For that, you need to go to navigation on the left navigation bar, and you can see under menus over here, you've got the footer menu, you've got the main menu as well. So inside these two, we are going to add one more menu for order tracking, and for that you need to click on add menu. And now over here you can see that there are no items. We need to add an item. So for that, you need to click on add menu item, and we are going to give it a name as track your order, and we need to link it to a page. So you're going to click on track, and you've got order tracking, and you're going to click on add. Then click on save menu. We forgot to add the title, so we're just going to add order tracking as the title. Once you're done that, click on save menu. And if you go back, you can see apart from the footer and the main menu, your order tracking has been added over here. We're going to do the same process for the footer menu as well. So click on footer menu, click on add menu item, and do the same process. We're going to give it the name track your order. We're going to search for that page we just created, which is right over here, and then click on add and click on save menu. So there is a track your order link created in the footer menu. So if any visitor comes to your website and just scrolls down, they can easily find the track your order section in the footer. We're going to do the same thing for the main menu as well, which has home, catalog, contact right now. And we're going to make this track your order appear here in the same way we did earlier. Click on main menu, and as I said, it has home, catalog, contact. If you click on add menu item, you can add track your order and link it to the tracking page that we just created. Click on add, and you can see it has been added over here. Don't forget to hit the save menu button. And now if you go back, you can see that these are the menus currently. In the footer menu, we've got track your order. In the main menu also, we've got track your order, and then we've got the order tracking page. Now let's see how this works on the website. For that, you will go to the left navigation bar to your online store, and here you will see that there is this default theme. You will click on customize, and over here you can see that this is where you can customize each page. And on the top you've got all the main menu items: home, catalog, contact, and then the page we created. And if you click on that page, which is track your order, you can see that this is exactly what we put in the code for. Now let's see how it works on our website. For that, you need to go back by clicking here on exit, and under this page, which is themes, underneath online store on the left navigation bar on the top right side, you will see view your store. Click on that and you will come to your store. And if you go to the main menu over here, you've got your track your order page. So this is exactly what we added the code for. Please enter your tracking number below. So let's just add a dummy tracking number and click on track. And currently this is a dummy tracking number, so we will not find any results. But if a visitor comes to this page and puts in their tracking number, they will definitely find it over here. And that is how you can do it without knowing coding. So that was the second method of adding an order tracking page to your Shopify store. And with that, we have come to an end to this tutorial of how to add an order tracking page in your Shopify store. We truly hope this video was beneficial to you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.